حي على الفلاح. So now I'd like to remind myself, I need a reminder, I'm a human being, and yourselves, if I want to change, what's a good way of starting? Obviously we say here and now. Yes, that's right, the intention needs to come here and now. Bad habits need to be flicked off. The very bad habits completely eradicated, no space for them. But sometimes people do not provide us with practical solutions. I live a life, I've got to go to work, I see this, this happens to me, that happens to me. So how do I go about it? You know how to start off? One of the most important things, sleep on time. Wow. Did you know that? One of the most important things when you want to change your life is to sleep on time. Wow. Everyone is quiet because we're in the UK and the sun only sets after 9 o'clock. Wow. See? Sleep on time. If you sleep on time, you will get up fresh, early morning, in time for what you are supposed to get up for. And what is that? What is that? What is that? Some are saying work, some are saying fajr, some are saying tahajjud. Wow, I didn't hear anyone say breakfast. When the eye opens, what's the first thing you should do? You want to change your life? Relate the opening of your eye to the giver of that life. Alhamdulillahi alladhi ahyana. Wow, first words came out of my mouth. This is a change. The change starts with this consciousness of Allah. That's how it starts. So one might say, okay, you know what? I'm changing from today. I'm growing my beard. I'm changing from today. I'm covering myself fully, top to bottom. Good change. But if you're not conscious of the Maker, with that beard, you will still insult. With the good dressing, you will still insult. But when you're conscious of the Maker, it's a holistic approach to the correction. This is why we say, as soon as your eye opens, first thing, tomorrow morning, remember this, you set your clock. As soon as it rings, I hope you set a clock that rings, subhanallah, at the right time, neither the breakfast nor the work, inshallah, at least for the fajr. Soon as the eye opens, what are you going to say? All praise is due to He who gave me this life. Alhamdulillah alladhi ahyana. All praise is due to He, to Allah, who has given us this life after He had taken it away. You know the description of sleep. If you start your day with that dua, good news to you. What is to follow will be far more spiritual. It will be far more rightly guided. Your day has started on the right side, mashallah. And then you get up. I'm sure you've seen the clip where I spoke about lifting that blanket up, you know, makes you strong. When I was coming here, one of my relatives was telling me about a six-pack, you know, boasting. I said, look, brother, normally the airlines that I travel on, they allow one big pack, so I don't waste my time. Allahu Akbar. Six-pack, wow. You can have a six-pack, it won't help you. If you have that laziness in you, it's not going to let your blanket be lifted off with your strength. It requires the inner strength, even if you have one big pack, mashallah. And I'm not promoting that because it's very unhealthy. So brothers and sisters, are we ready inshallah? We start off, we get to bed early, get up in the morning. These are practical lessons. You know, one might think, oh, I came all the way to listen to how to get up in the morning. Wallahi, it's a fact. Yes, you did. You did. And if you practice upon it, you will see the benefit of it. Believe me. The problem with us, it's very easy to tell. Please don't do it to me. If you know my mobile phone number, do not do what I'm about to say to me. Okay? You can check when last they were online, WhatsApp. Whoa, this guy tells us to sleep early. Look at him. 2 in the morning. It's not me, it's automatic. Allah make it easy. Why do we get caught with our mobile phones at night such that we sleep late, we get up groggy, we've missed our salah? You know what happens when you've missed your fajr? Then one narration says shaitan pees in your ears. So what comes out, that yellow piece that comes out, is not apricot jam, nor is it wax. It's actually pee. Astaghfirullah. Allah protect us. It's a narration. You didn't get up for your salah. You better clean your ears. It's a fact of life. May Allah...
Every single person that will benefit from this particular platform, even in the smallest way, the full reward will go to every single person who's donated even the smallest amount. So don't think that I cannot do it, and go to the donate section and follow it up and try and give a donation that might be a small amount but regular. And even if it's just a one-off amount, if that's what you can manage, alhamdulillah.